Along with cleaning and oiling the Bernina 880, one other thing you can do is clean the thread catcher, as it's called down here, the thread cutter. So if you're noticing things aren't cutting well, you're getting kind of hung up, or it's grabbing while you're using the scissor button, I'm going to walk you through the steps that you take to clean out any lint that might have been caught. So you do everything in the settings area. So first touch the little picture of the gears and touch the sewing machine. So in here we can get into some of the technical part of taking care of your machine. Touch the little wrench picture, and one more thing, touch the little place where it looks like a little sweeper here. So there's actually two things. One is cleaning out the needle threader, but the one about the thread catcher is the second one. So as you touch it, it's going to come up with actually the steps that you're taking plus the links that you actually touch on screen. So let me walk you through step by step. So the first thing it says, remove the presser foot and the needle. So I'm going to just quick take the foot and needle off and remove the stitch plate. After you've removed the stitch plate, the message on this machine says select the link. That means you actually touch the blue area on screen, and it says move the thread catcher out. So what's going to happen is down here, when I touch it, it is actually going to move the thread catcher out. Now I still actually have my bobbin in, so it's actually the thread that you're seeing here, but if any extra threads or lint that you can see, you can use the tweezers that came with this machine and actually get in and clean it out. Remember, don't use any canned air. That's going to blow more back into the machine than out. And remember, we don't actually do any oiling from this top side. That's all done from the front part of the bobbin area. Now, once you get anything moved out of the way, then you're going to touch the screen again where it says select the link to move the thread catcher in. The thread catcher moves to the left and the automatic thread cutter is reinitialized and ready to use. So I'm going to just reattach the throat plate, put my foot on and the needle on, and I will be set to sew.